guys, welcome back to another video, and today, as you've seen in the last two videos, I got this new Acon 4.6 circle for Christmas, and I thought as a video I would teach you guys how to do a Rudy. And here's what a Rudy looks like. So Rudy is basically just a front flip with 1.5 twists. What you need to be able to do is a front half, a front flip with no tuck, and then the last thing you need to be able to do is a front half with decently straight legs, and you need to be able to have control over it and land pretty high so you can actually pull another twist. So the first step to learning the Rudy is you're going to want to learn to over-rotate your front half into a front full. Now these don't always look that great. They can sometimes look really bad, but work on them for a little bit and you might get them to look somewhat like this. Now that still didn't look like the best thing you've ever seen from a front twist, but that's gonna be like your first move into your front twisting. So to be able to over rotate to there, it's sometimes really hard because you might not have enough height to land it. You wanna make sure you have a lot of height, or else you're gonna need a lot of practice to be able to over rotate to that. And to get a faster twist, you're not gonna wanna throw down into it as much. You're gonna wanna throw slightly down, but you're also gonna wanna throw to the side. Now, when you throw to the side, it kind of limits your flip a little bit, but it makes your twist a lot faster so you can get your twist done faster, and then bend your knees and stick the landing. Now, that's sort of the easy part out of the way. Now, we're gonna have to learn to keep our legs completely straight, or else this Rudy's gonna be really hard. If you've ever seen someone do a double full, take me for example, when I was first learning my double full, my legs were bent like this, and it looked really unclean, and I barely finished the twist in time. And so, the same thing can happen with a Rudy, except worse. A Rudy, in your front twisting, if you have your legs bent, it's gonna look really bad if you have your legs bent. Now, don't worry if you're like, you learned how to do it and your legs are bent, you could fix that. There are two ways to start your flip: have your legs bent and then straighten them out as soon as you start twisting. Or B, start your flip, immediately have your legs straight, finish the twist, and then bend and finish. So now I'm going to demonstrate a few Rudies in slow motion, just so you guys can potentially learn from watching me do it. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. If you guys liked it, smash the like button in the face. No, I'm just kidding. Hit subscribe, and so if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on my post notifications, and share with y'all. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, turn your bells on, the bell on, whatever it is to do to not miss my videos, and then